Don't update iOS 26 until you do this. Before updating to iOS 26, ensure you back up your data, check at least 10 GB of free storage, and assess your battery health, as major updates can affect older devices. Key steps include turning off automatic updates to prevent premature installation and reviewing location services to protect privacy. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Step 1, just back up your data, right? Go ahead to the settings app in your account, go ahead to the iCloud, right? And make sure that is turned on, right? Make sure that you back up this iPhone, right? Your phone. And check for, check storage space. Ensure you have ample free space, like over 10 GB for the large update file. So you can check that in the main settings, general, iPhone storage. Ensure you have at least 10 GB free for the large update file. Okay. You can disable automatic updates. So go ahead to the settings, general, software update. You can see automatic update is on. Just turn it off. All right, turn all of it off. Okay. Next, review location privacy. Inside settings, head over to privacy and safety, or privacy and security, excuse me. And then location services. Restrict apps with always access and check significant locations. All right. And check for carrier update to ensure network stability. Evaluate your device. If using an older model like the iPhone 11 or 12, consider waiting due to potential battery consideration and performance issues with new AI features which require an iPhone 15 Pro or newer. Okay, so for those wanting to avoid the update entirely, you can manage this in the settings and of course turn off all the updates. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.